How to allow storage permission in Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can allow any application your storage permissions in your device. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your settings application from your device. At this page, scroll below to apps. Here, search for any specific apps that you have denied permissions for. Now at this page, tap onto permissions. If you had not given Instagram your storage access, you will be able to see it under not allowed. But in my case, the storage access has already been granted, so you will be able to see this under allowed. So make sure you also have this option toggled on, always allow all. That way, you will be able to give permissions for Instagram. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.